morning, mere yaro. Actually, it's a very different feeling today because first of all, it rained and it's very pleasant. You can see the water, but it's a very different feeling that when you're working and you have to take off for your health checkup, and it's a weekdays, but you are not going to work, so it's मतलब इतना अलग और अच्छा फील हो रहा है कि आई कांट एक्सप्लेन इन वर्ड्स. बस मुझे यही बात बोलनी थी. सो इट्स अ फ्राइडे फन यार. फ्राइडे तो फ्राइडे रहता है. सो सी आई कीप यू पोस्टेड अबाउट माई फ्राइडे हाउ आई स्पेंड. ओके, दिस इज़ द व्यू ऑफ द स्टेशन जहाँ से मैं रोज़ आना जाना करती हूँ. बट इट्स सो एम्प्टी टुडे दैट मतलब बट मुझे ना इतना अलग फीलिंग आ रहा है लाइक इट्स फ्राइडे बट यू नो it's a working day, but at the same time I'm getting a feeling of a off day, so it's just different feel. I mean, that's what I wanted to say. So I'm just heading for my checkup clinic and I'll catch you in between. Ciao. I'm feeling so different. I mean, so different that मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि I have, though sometimes you know usual places, but when you just travel on a different day and different time, you feel like those places are like holidays places. So it's maybe it's a very good climate and my mood is very cheerful today, though I'm going for health checkup. Ciao. This is one jewelry shop, but you know I just love the design. Okay, how they have done it. It's so artistic. One day I want to really enter, but मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा like what I need to buy from here. They are saying that order made jewelry here. So let me. I'll just maybe someday I will go. Hello मेरे यारो. मेरा हेल्थ चेकअप कंप्लीट हो गया, बट मैंने सोचा कि मेरा दिमाग चेक करती हूँ, तो मेरा दिमाग चेक करने में ज़रा टाइम लग गया है. और ऐसा हुआ है कि अभी मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू एन्जॉय द लंच एंड हैव अ ग्रेट फ्राइडे. So starting with this salad, I have ordered this delicious salad and there are so many options, but I have chosen egg and yeah, I got this anime comic book also. I'm just arranging things because I'm so hungry. This is the book, I got it and I'm so hungry right now. Just order 3-4 things from this place. This is a egg, cabbage, corn and some lettuce leaves, and I'm waiting for my next order. So next order has all these things I have ordered. This is a very delicious vegetable curry and rice, a potato salad with, I have just added one sauce on it. It's very tasty sauce, mustard sauce I guess. And this potato finger chips, and I just ordered some sides as this also. This is a garlic in a dipped in chili and oil, but it's not very hot at all. And this is vegetable which has onion and potato, French beans and carrot, and this is a cafe mocha. So this is what I have ordered because I couldn't eat last night. Ciao. Good morning, friends. It's just like I think now there are only two influencers who are just two dominators on Insta at present in this. I mean, what as per what I see, okay, as per my observation, one is of course my love, Michael, and one is Modi ji. Oh, and all they both start from M and M. So I mean, आई डोंट नो, मुझे कभी कभी ऐसे सवाल आता है दैट बिफोर कोरोना why people were not vocal, or suddenly is it like some influence has happened after corona and people have started like expressing more. I mean, in India, and Indians have always been expressive and loud. That's the image in outside world. Nothing, no offenses. It's just a culture thing. So, but फिर भी उसमें भी why suddenly like so many people like कभी कभी मुझे लगता है कि some all people have been vocal. I sometimes feel like it's a very good thing that you are actually using the clause or the condition mentioned in constitution, that is the freedom of speech. बट बहुत ही हो रहा है फ्रीडम मतलब और मैं ना कभी भी of course I mean all these political issues keeping aside, but when I see these Gen Z's or our generation's comments, everybody's and supports to given each other, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे वो भी वैलिड लगता है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट मुझे वो भी गलत नहीं लगता है। मतलब ऐसे बहुत मुझे अब ऐसे बहुत चीज़ें वैलिड लगने लगी है, और या फिर ये कह सकते हैं कि मे बी आई डोंट हैव आई एम नॉट ओपिनियटेड इन दिस पार्ट, क्योंकि कभी कभी तुम्हें ओपिनियन रखना ही चाहिए, ऐसे कंडीशन नहीं रहता है लाइक यू ऑलवेज हैव टू बी ओपिनियटेड. Anyway, so this is a Zatsudan in Japanese, that is a free talk, just random. So I'm gonna share a special moment in my life today, very very special day which I have waited for a really long time, and you will see it. Ciao. मॉर्निंग मेरे पेरेंट्स, मॉर्निंग नहीं आफ्टरनून है एक्चुअली. मैं इतना धूप में इतना एंथुजियास्टिक होकर मैं बाहर पड़ी हूँ, बट मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ आपको समझेगा. बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू लेट यू नो दैट आई एम अप टू समथिंग स्पेशल. फाइनली मैंने टाइम पे अचीव किया मुझे जहाँ जाना है, एंड आई सून टेल यू वेयर आई एम गोइंग. सी या. This is a theater very old from Showa era in Japan, and I'm watching my special movie in this. Well, this is so old theater, like I came to know it's from Showa era, and it has ambience also very old, and seats also. I'm just sitting inside, and it's very like offensive, considered to be a heavily penalized. If you shoot movie, you have to go for a 10 years prison, and 10 lakh you have to pay also. So I'm just like capturing some glimpse before the movie starts, and some pics of mine to capture this moment. And yeah, this is the one, the surprise I wanted to share. A hero. I got my medicine which will last for rest of the lifetime. And some other movies ads, but I just like, you know. So आपने देखा ही होगा पहले वीडियो में मैं कहाँ पे थी और मैंने किसको देखा. It's just 2 hours of a heavy dose I got, and first time when I watched the movie, I was just overwhelmed with all his wow performance. And today I was just like, the tears were rolling around from just over my cheeks, and it's just so overwhelming. I guess मुझे every month I can go. I should subscribe for it for a lifetime, and I just keep watching. It's a lifeline actually. What else you want? I mean, for such a overwhelming and pure performance, it just made my day, and I don't know, lifetime. I'm looking forward for this part 2. I love you, Michael. Ciao. After movie, I went outside, and again I got into the heater. Now I'm going to meet my friend to share my overwhelming experience about my Michael. So I'll catch you soon again. Ciao.